When someone's moving suspiciously fast or hitting shots they shouldn't, you need more than a gut feeling to act on it. Admin Radar is a free Oxide plugin that puts a real-time overlay on your screen, player positions, health, distance, and what they're looking at. This video covers install, permissions, and config. You need an Oxide-enabled Rust server and either file manager access in Physgun or an SFTP client. That's it for prerequisites. Go to umod.org/plugins/adminradar and download the latest version. You'll get a single adminradar.cs file. Upload adminradar.cs to your Oxide plugins folder on your server. In Physgun, File Manager, Oxide Plugins, Upload. Then run oxide.reload adminradar in the console. Config generates automatically on the first load. The radar itself is locked behind a permission. Run oxide.grant user followed by the Steam ID and adminradar.allowed. Without this, admins won't see the toggle UI and they won't be able to activate the radar at all. The config lives at oxide config adminradar.json. The main things to tune here are drawing distances, which is how far each entity type shows up, and which entity types are tracked by default. Players, sleepers, loot, NPCs, vehicles, and Bradley are all toggleable. Set higher distances only for what you actually need. Tracking everything at max range will hit performance. Colors are set with hex codes in the color hex codes section. Separate colors for online players, NPCs, sleepers, vehicles, and loot. Boxes, text labels, and arrows are all toggleable in the drawing method section. If the screen gets cluttered, this is where you can clean it up. Once you're in game with the permission granted, you'll see the toggle UI on the screen. Use it to flip filters on and off without touching the config. When you're done, toggle the radar off. It's not something you want running during normal play since it can affect how you interact with other players. Two things that trip people up. First, the permission. If the radar toggle UI isn't showing, the grant didn't go through. Double check the Steam ID or your group name if you used a group. Second, JSON formatting. If the plugin fails to reload after a config edit, open adminradar.json and look for a missing comma or bracket. One bad character breaks the whole file. Run oxide.reload adminradar after every config change, not just on restart. That's adminradar. If you need a Rust server to run it on, Physgun has Rust hosting with Oxide pre-installed. Links in the description.